In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out and control video speed in Canva. This can be incredibly useful for creating engaging content, whether you're working on a presentation or editing a video. Let's dive right in. First off, head over to Canva's website. You can easily access it by searching Canva in your web browser or by typing in the URL, canva.com. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. But for now, let's assume you already have an account. Click on Continue after entering your credentials. Then you'll have the option to log in via your Google account if you prefer. Just click on your Google profile image if that's the route you're taking, and then hit Continue to complete the login process. Now that you're successfully logged into Canva, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here you can either start a new project or open an existing one. For this tutorial, let's say you already have a video or slide presentation you want to edit. Open up your project by clicking on it. If you don't have a project yet, you can start a new one by choosing a template fitting your needs. Once your project is open, locate and click on the very first slide or page. This allows you to begin your edit from the start. One key feature of Canva is its ability to easily duplicate pages. Click on Duplicate Page to create a copy of a slide. This is useful for making incremental changes without losing your earlier work. Now let's get into zooming. Canva makes it simple to enhance elements you want to emphasize. After duplicating your page, select the elements you want to enlarge and adjust their size by dragging the corners. The goal is to focus viewers' attention on specific details. You can continue fine-tuning by resizing and adjusting other elements as needed. Make sure your changes enhance, rather than overwhelm, the visual flow of your project. Between the two pages, you can add a transition for a smoother viewing experience. Hover between the pages to find the transition button and select Match and Move. This feature automatically animates elements from the first slide to their new positions on the duplicated slide. Don't forget to adjust the duration of this transition to match the tempo you want. Shorter durations create faster movement, while longer ones can slow things down for dramatic effect. To wrap things up, take advantage of Canva's Preview or Play feature. It gives you a look at the finished product and allows you to make any necessary tweaks before finalizing. And there you have it, your completed project with dynamic zoom and controlled video speed. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Canva.